Hey, welcome to Blue Bonnet channel. Please subscribe my channel. I like the video if this is a benefit for you. And today, Showerhead and this is the results. Beforehand, it was looked like this old one, and there's no adjustment and static type, and just there's one single function. And when I bought the house, and just looks like this, okay. And then and it's not convenient, or especially when your kid trying to use, and it's too high and no adjustment, and in a fixed head type, right? And so this video is for anyone who had never done it before, and like a tutorial for dummies even, okay. So here you begin.
Today I'm going to change shower head from like the standard type, okay, with something like this extendable with the holder like this. I bought this one from Costco a long time ago. I decided to use it because my wife said she wants to use this, especially with the kid, and she wanted to get showered here with this kind of a little bit convenient shower head.
Yeah,
okay?
This one is particularly a lot of adjustment.
So first step, I have to take this out, and normally it's a screw style, but if it's too stiff, because they added like some kind of not glue, like a clocking something.
Is it like a
so
silicone?
You can use your sharp tool and take away a little bit, get rid of that.
It's really harder
to like a silicone or something like that. Okay. So let me do this. This is another one that I changed a long time ago. The other bathroom. As you see, there's a neck area that is the connector. So the trick is if you twist, as you see, neck is not moving. Because so means you have to use a plier
in the same position
to actually disassemble this part, the neck part, not the head. Is it moving? It's just just moving. No use. Okay. You need this kind of spanner, not like a long nose type kind of plier, because as you see, this is not circle. This is a flat and circular, so you have to like an adjustable. I think I bought this from Home Depot or somewhere like that, and very good handle and everything good, firm. Okay. As I said, if
can you see the white stuff?
If this is too stiff, and you have to take this like a silicone,
scratch it
like
off,
a caulking material off from the connecting area. Okay, off. First. Okay. Guys, but when they're working here, and quite slippery because of dripping water from the tap, it makes you in a dangerous situation could be. So make sure wipe off and don't be in danger. Okay. Finally, I found a way how to unscrew the head counterclockwise to unscrew. Like a disassemble, okay, counterclockwise. And it was really tough for me at the beginning because, as I said, it's a clunky material, so I get rid of silicone for a while, and now it's moving, okay?
Because of silicone.
Okay, this is a diagonal view after disassemble of the head from the wall. As you see, there's still remaining silicone material. So that's why it was really tough. So it depends on the situation. You should do a little bit the pre-work, get rid of this, the sealing material first, like this. I did a lot, and unscrew with the spanner. Okay, so now and then I got drenched from the water, remaining water from the tap. So be careful.
Yeah, it didn't show, but water suddenly like poured over my head. So when you do work, so be careful, and as I said, constantly wipe it out so that you not get slipped. Okay.
When you do, as I said, always be safe, and water pour down, and then see the water here, very slippery. So do using the cloth and wipe it off before the next step, okay? Now, so I use my thumb finger and screw to counterclockwise to assemble with the new shower head. But this is not it, because you have to firmly seal. So you either using a silicone, if you're not gonna use a silicone, that's fine. But you should use a spanner to firmly screwed, okay? So I use this spanner to firmly
Clockwise.
turn clockwise,
Assemble.
completely screwed. So no movement at all. Okay, and the new Showerhead has a flow control, which is good, and the holder like this which is also good. Okay. Do not throw away all the shower tab head, just in case. Just keep it. Put it back when you move out, or as a secondary.
And adjustable knob. This is a all different multiple mode of adjusting the flow amount and the flow pattern. Okay.
Option just in case, but this is looking very good. Although the color does not match the silver with the orange. The original was the bronze, but it's convenience, as I said, have more controls, and the shower control as well. Okay, let me try. See, there is no leaking in the connection area, which is good, and working fine. Okay.
All right, so this is it today, and hopefully you learned something from here. If you're doing the first time, and please do so. If you have a question and any feedback, and as I said, like my video, and do comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.